In breaking developments tonight, Governor Ivey commutes the death sentence of Charles Sonny Burton just days before he was scheduled to be executed. The decision comes more than 3 decades after a robbery in Talladega that turned deadly. ABC 3340's Muriel Bailey is here with the latest.
Ashanti, 75-year-old Charles Sonny Burton was set to be executed this Thursday on March 12th. His attorney and advocates have fought for years to have his life spared. Charles Sonny Burton was convicted in the 1991 robbery of an AutoZone in Talladega. During that robbery, customer Doug Battle was shot and killed by Derek DeBruce. Court records show Burton did not fire the shot and had already left the store when the killing happened. In 1992, Burton was convicted of capital murder and sentenced to death. DeBruce, the triggerman, was also sentenced to death. Burton's appeals were upheld through the early 1990s. Years later, DeBruce's death sentence was overturned. He was resentenced to life without parole. Burton's death sentence remained in place. Earlier this year, the Alabama Supreme Court authorized setting an execution date. Governor Ivey scheduled Burton's execution for March 12th. In February, advocates unveiled a billboard in Talladega urging the governor to grant clemency, then argued Burton should not be executed for a killing he did not commit.
We are talking about a man who did not kill anyone.
This week, Governor Ivey commuted Burton's sentence to life without parole. In her statement, she said she could not proceed in good conscience with the execution under what she described as disparate circumstances, noting the triggerman received life without parole. Burton will now spend the rest of his life in prison without the possibility of parole. Burton's legal team called the decision an act of justice. In a statement, counsel said they are, quote, profoundly grateful that Sonny's life has been spared. Commutations in Alabama are rare. Governor Ivey has presided over 25 executions. We asked her office how many death sentences were commuted in Alabama since 1976 and when the last one happened prior to this decision. We also asked whether this was based solely on sentencing disparity and whether it could affect other accomplice liability cases on death row. Her office declined to answer. Now, Burton's execution is officially canceled. He will serve life without parole for his role in the 1991 robbery.